Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to discuss about what are the top 5 features and the changes in the iQOO 7 device after recent Android 12 update. Yes, when just yesterday I did install this Android 12 in the iQOO 7 device, and in this video I'm going to discuss about what are the top 5 changes and the main features which got added with this Android 12 in the iQOO 7 device. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let's get started friends without wasting any kind of time. So first feature which got changed is regarding the Ultra Game Mode. Yes friends, the new type of Ultra Game Mode has been added in the iQOO 7 device. These are the design interface looks like. So that's what I'm going to explore for the first feature. So while gaming, you will be able to see different kind of interface. So before it used to be different interface, now it's kind of slightly different interface. So apart from that, there's nothing much major changes you may be able to notice, but there's a small change which is about the monster mode and in terms of the implementation of the graphics, as you can clearly see. Now you can actually see the clock speeds, what's happening, 2 GHz and 300 MHz. Now if I try to select the monster mode, you can see what's going on with the monster mode, how much it's kind of utilizing in the balanced mode and the power saving mode as well. As you can see, small type of animation you'll be getting, and you can actually get the game duration, how many hours you have played the game, and battery percentage remaining, and rest of the options are completely similar, nothing much major difference. So apart from small difference in the interface, nothing much has been changed in terms of the Ultra Game Mode options. 4D vibrations, voice changer, everything is absolutely same, nothing much major changes. And next change, you can actually notice second main feature which got updated in the iQOO 7 device is regarding the connectivity and blocking of the internet for individual applications. Yes friends, right now with this Android 12, you can actually block the internet access for individual applications. So you need to go to the internet and the network. So once you're in that, try to click on the network management, and right now you can actually access the data network and the Wi-Fi mode. So right now you will be able to disable individual games and applications internet connection in this way. For example, if you don't want to receive any kind of WhatsApp messages, so but you want to use the internet connection in your device, try to just disable the WhatsApp. That's it. Just disable WhatsApp, so WhatsApp won't get any kind of internet connection. So from the mobile data, same thing applies for the Wi-Fi as well. So you can actually do that. Not only for the WhatsApp, even for offline games. For example, there are a couple of other games which you can actually play offline, so which doesn't require any kind of internet connection. You can just disable them and that's it. Those games and those applications will not even get any kind of internet activity connected. That's really fantastic. So what I'll try to do is that, so usually I'll try to click this one option, so which will disable everything. All the applications will be disabled, but whenever I want to open any kind of application, for example Play Store, it will show the message saying you need internet connection. For example in the Wi-Fi, right now it's connected to Wi-Fi. So if I try to open any kind of application, it will try to show the message saying can you allow or disallow, as you can see. So right now we'll try to allow it. In this way you'll be able to allow the applications what you actually use. So this is the best way to do in the iQOO 7 device. So don't forget to use this option friends, which is very useful to avoid unnecessary usage of the data by another applications or any kind of games in the background. You can do like this. And third feature which I did like in this new update is regarding the gestures. So finally in the iQOO 7 device, you can actually switch between the applications very easily, back and forth. You can actually do that, as you can see, just by swiping on the gestures. In the Android 11 you cannot do that. The gestures doesn't work in the Android 11. In the iPhone, in the iQOO 7 device, the gestures doesn't work, but right now the gesture works perfectly all right, as you can see, without any kind of problem. That's the third feature which I did like in this iQOO 7 device. And the fourth thing is regarding something to do with the home screen, everything. I'll try to explain you why I did mention this. So for example, so right now if you want to delete a couple of applications from the home screen, you just need to long press, and now you can actually select the multiple games, multiple applications simultaneously. As you can see, you can select them, and you can select up to I think 20 maybe. Let me select. Yes, you can select more than that, not bad. 20 icons is the maximum, and try to click remove. That's it, and everything will be removed from the home screen. And if you try to click remove, you will get some kind of sound as well. Let me do that. Small sound. I'm not sure whether you did it or not, but in this way you can actually remove the multiple icons from the home screen without any kind of problem. Before, you can only remove individual you will be getting the option to remove and each and everything, so that's something kind of really annoying. but right now you do have the really good option. Next thing is about the couple of wallpapers got added, nothing much major change with the wallpapers. And finally with the widgets, yes friends, in this Android 12 you do have the special widgets. In this iQOO 7 at this moment, these are the 5 different widgets where you can actually choose from, so which is really very useful. And some of the people, they did install and they did like as well using this kind of widgets. Let me show you my setup of my home screen, how it looks. So this is the iQOO Z5. I did set up the complete home screen as well using this kind of widgets, so in case if you want you can actually do that. As you can see, even these are the widgets looks like. All the weather widget and the cleaning up the cache and RAM, you can actually clean that to speed up. And you can see the weather information as well, weather information, everything will be there, all the data. And you can actually keep your photo album as well, which is a photo album which is present here. And stick notes you can actually keep here, that's also there here. So these are the few important things you should know friends about this sticky notes and countdown as well. There's a different type of widget, and water widget is also available, which is also really useful to keep hydrated, so that's also fantastic. So overall widgets are pretty good and everything is neatly organized. Now you can actually see how many widgets for each and every application. For Chrome there will be 2 different widgets, and in this way you can actually explore each and every settings as well. For WhatsApp, how many type of widgets. That's it. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is my top 5 favorite features in the iQOO 7 device after the Android 12 update. So apart from this, I did not notice any kind of major difference, so rest of the things should be kind of completely minute kind of. And one more thing I forgot to totally mention about this new type of multitasking. So right now in the new type of multitasking, you can actually get this kind of really good view, like can actually cover multiple applications and games in one single window. As you can see, this is the traditional one and this is the multiple layout. That looks really good, right? I did like this kind of complete layout in this iQOO 7 device overall. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. These are my top 5 favorite features in the iQOO 7 device after the recent software update. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching and let's stay tuned for more updates and bye.